Welcome to Botanical Estate in Mickleham, a community where modern living thrives alongside the beauty of nature. Surrounded by over 30 hectares of open space, Botanical is perfect for families who value a sense of connection and love spending time outdoors. Carlisle Homes' display at Botanical showcases two exceptional designs. Each is an ideal home design for Botanical and its surrounding estates. The Sorrento Grand Deluxe Atrium Balcony 54 redefines luxury with its breathtaking double-height atrium and private balcony, creating a sense of grandeur and elegance. Meanwhile, the Illawarra Grandmaster 45 combines practicality and style, offering thoughtful spaces that cater perfectly to modern family living. Education options in the area make Botanical and its surrounding estates at Woodsong and Merrifield even more appealing for families. There are 3 established primary schools nearby: Mickleham Primary, Craigieburn Primary and Aitken Creek Primary, with 4 brand new primary schools planned to meet the needs of this growing community. For older children, sought-after public and private secondary schools like Hume Anglican Grammar, Craigieburn Secondary College and Colby Catholic College are within easy reach. Commuters will appreciate the convenience of Donnybrook and Craigieburn railway stations, both less than a 15-minute drive away. With a train ride to Melbourne CBD taking just 45 minutes, you can enjoy the best of suburban tranquillity and city access. Plans for a local shopping village and the surrounding natural beauty make Botanical Estate the perfect place to put down roots and watch your dreams grow. Whether you're raising a family, starting a new chapter, or seeking a lifestyle surrounded by green spaces, Botanical Estate offers it all. A vibrant community and a stunning home could be yours sooner than you think. Visit Botanical Estate today to see how Carlisle Homes house and land packages make moving in as quick as 20 weeks a reality.